1, 2, 3. Hello there, little stars. It's time to join Lucky Learning Star for an exciting underwater adventure. We are going to meet some amazing sea creatures and learn some fun new words too. Can you say ocean? Now, can you say the sea? Awesome job, little stars! We are going to say each animal's name together, learn a fun fact, and do an action to help us remember what we learn. Are you ready? Let's go! Here comes a gentle turtle gliding by. Hello, turtle! Did you know turtles have flippers that help them paddle through the water and a hard shell on their back to keep them safe? Can you say turtle? Now, can you say paddle? Well done! Let's paddle like a turtle with our flippers. Stretch out your arms and slowly move them up and down through the water. Splish splash! Great paddling, little stars! Wow, look at that big blue whale! Hello, whale! Did you know whales are the biggest animals on Earth? And they have a blowhole on top of their head that helps them breathe. When they come up to the surface, they blow out a big puff of air and water that looks a bit like a fountain. Can you say whale? Awesome! Now, can you say blow? Let's blow like a whale. Reach up high and pretend to puff a big spout of water from your head. Splishy, splashy fun, little stars. Here comes some colourful tropical fish. Hello, fish! Did you know tropical fish live in warm coral reefs and come in every colour of the rainbow? Can you say fish? Fantastic! Now, can you say swim? Let's swim like a little fish. Wiggle your hands and move side to side like you're gliding through the reef. Swim, swim, swim. Well done, little stars. Oh, look, a puffer fish. Hello, puffer fish. Did you know that when a puffer fish gets a big surprise, it puffs up into a round, spiky ball to protect itself from danger? Can you say puffer fish? Great job! Now, can you say surprise? Let's puff up with surprise like a puffer fish. Crouch down small and then pop up big with your arms wide, like you've suddenly puffed out. Boo! What a brilliant surprise, little stars! Watch out! Here's a shark! Hello, shark! Don't worry though, little stars. Sharks help look after the ocean by keeping it clean and healthy. They use their pointy fins to steer through the water and to help them swim very fast. Can you say shark? Amazing! Now can you say fin? Let's swim like a shark. Hold your hand up above your head like a fin and then swoosh side to side. Swoosh, swish, swoosh. Fantastic fin moves, little stars. Here's a clever octopus hiding behind a rock. Hello, octopus. Did you know octopuses can squeeze into tiny spaces and even change colour to hide? Can you say octopus? Well done! Now can you say hide? Let's hide like an octopus. Cover your face with your hands, then peek out slowly, and then hide again. Amazing hiding skills, little stars. Look, it's a little family of seahorses. Hello, seahorses. Did you know that Mummy and Daddy seahorses sometimes hold each other's tails and drift through the sea together? Can you say seahorse? Now, can you say hold? Fantastic! Let's link our hands together like seahorses holding tails and sway gently from side to side. Drift, drift, drift. Beautiful hand-holding, little stars. Let's dive a bit deeper now. Can you see some pretty shells? Hello, shells. Did you know shells are homes for lots of little sea creatures? They come in all shapes and sizes. Can you say shell? Now, can you say home? Well done! Let's curl up small like a tiny creature inside a shell. Hug your knees and make a little ball. So cosy and safe. Great job, little stars. Wow, look at all the beautiful coral. Hello, coral. Did you know that coral shelters lots of fish and sea animals? It's a busy underwater home that looks like an underwater garden. Healthy coral helps keep the ocean safe and full of life. Can you say coral? Fantastic! Now can you say shelter? Let's shelter like coral. Spread your arms wide like coral branches, making a cosy home for all the little sea creatures. Shelter, shelter, shelter. Great protecting, little stars. Ooh, have you spotted a shape you might recognise? sparkly starfish on a rock. Hello, starfish! Did you know if a starfish loses one of its arms, it can grow it back again? Just like magic! Can you say starfish? Well done! Now can you say shine? Let's shine, just like Lucky Learning Star and our twinkly little starfish. Stretch out your arms and legs wide like a big star. Then wiggle your fingers like shining sparkles. Shine on, little stars. Wow, little stars! What an incredible journey we've made together today. We've explored the deep blue sea and met so many amazing underwater friends. Remember the moves we did together? Let's go through them all again, one more time. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's paddle our flippers like a turtle. We're going to blow like a whale. Swim around the reef like colourful fish. Puff up in surprise like a pufferfish. Glide through the water with your fin like a shark. Let's hide like a clever octopus. Hold hands and drift like seahorses. Curl up and get cosy at home in a shell. Shelter little sea creatures like beautiful coral. And finally, we're going to shine like a starfish. And just like Lucky Learning Star. Amazing moves, everyone. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Clap, 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 little stars. What a wonderful underwater adventure we've had today, everyone. Let's give a big thank you to all our ocean friends who helped us learn and play. Thanks, everyone. See you next time for more Lucky Learning Star adventures. Until then, keep shining, little stars.